I'm Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. Here is 5 minutes Cantonese. 大家好，我係 Amanda，歡迎收睇5分鐘廣東話。Today we're going to introduce you 2 words to brighten up your language. 鬼 and 死. Let's get started. Whenever we pick up a new language, it's very easy to be attracted by those bad words. Like in English, it's very common to use those F word or S word. Why people like to learn these bad words? It's like universal. People love to use bad words to express their feeling. Personally, I'm not really against these bad words. However, it's also not a good idea to get too used to it. So today, let's introduce these 2 words as a replacement. 鬼 and 死. First of all, what do they mean? 鬼, literally, ghost. 死, literally, death. So we can use these 2 words to replace those bad words. For example, I am very angry. 我 very 好 angry. Now you can add a ending word. 我好嬲啊，我好嬲啊. If you want to stress the meaning, I am, for example, in English, freaking angry. How to say? 我好 here is the place to add the word. Now, the new replacement is ghost. 鬼 and then angry. 我好鬼嬲啊，我好鬼嬲啊. So you want to stress more on that. You can add one more word after ghost, which is death. 死 我好鬼死嬲啊，我好鬼死嬲啊. Another example, she's so stupid. 佢 and then very 好 stupid 蠢 So she's very stupid. 佢好蠢啊，佢好蠢啊. So if you want to add some color on this, yes. 佢好鬼蠢啊，佢好鬼蠢啊. Or you can add one more word, death. 佢好鬼死蠢啊，佢好鬼死蠢啊. Another example, remember how to say annoying, right? 煩 So how to say is really annoying. So here we say really first. 真係 very annoying. 好煩 and then same here, ending word. 真係好煩啊，真係好煩啊. Again, it's your turn to make it more colorful. Not the bad words. Right. 真係好鬼煩啊，真係好鬼煩啊. You want to stress more. 真係好鬼死煩啊，真係好鬼死煩啊. Very good. So for the same expression, 鬼 and 死, similar as English, we can use them actually in a positive way. For example, she's very beautiful. How to say? 佢 very beautiful. 好靚啊，佢好靚啊. Wow! 佢好鬼靚啊，佢好鬼靚啊. Or yes, 佢好鬼死靚啊，佢好鬼死靚啊. Another example, Your house is really big. Remember the quantifier of house. Right. 間 your 你間 house 屋 really 真係 very 好 big 大你間屋真係好大呀你間屋真係好大呀 It's your turn now. So if you want to say your house is freaking large, just use the same pattern. Yes, 你間屋真係好 and then right here 鬼大呀你間屋真係好鬼大呀 or yes 你間屋真係好鬼死大呀你間屋真係好鬼死大呀 Very good. Just a friendly reminder, these casual conversations are good to use with your family, colleagues, or friends. However, if it's formal situation like in a meeting you're talking to your boss or to your client, you better skip that. Alright? Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this lesson today. If you want to learn Cantonese with me, please subscribe. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you want the worksheet and the supplementary audio exercise, please visit my Patreon page. See you next time. Bye bye. 下次見。